Hello, in this video we are going to learn about fractions. Suppose if this circle was a pizza and this was 1. But what if this point was a fraction? Then this would divide. And what is this called? Half. Because 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator in half. And so half is represented as 0.5. And there were just 2 members, me and my friend. But what if the slices were cut into breakthrough pieces? Then this would have been so many. Then this would be 1/4. Then all the members would have increased. So it was me, my friend, Oliver, and Betsy. But suppose if the slices of pizza has increased, then we would call here more members. And so 1/4 is represented as 0.25. And this happened 1/8. Now we would call, so the members were me, my friend, and we don't have space. So me, my friend, Oliver, Betsy, Boch, Betty, Sunny, and Minty. I mean Monty. Monty. And there were 8 members eating this. Now this thing was my slice. This was my friend's slice. This is my slice, my friend's slice, Oliver's slice, Betsy's slice, Boch's slice. And this marks Betty's slice, Sunny's slice, and Minty's slice. This was my slice, and this was my friend's slice. And we have a lovely pizza meal. But let's do it in a quick way. So 1/2 is also represented as 0.5. 1/4 is represented as 0.25. 1/8 is represented as 0.125. And 1/16 is also represented as 0.0625. And 1 divided by 32, that's 0.03125. And 1 divided by 64, that's 0.015625. Now let's do the shading part. Suppose if there were 5 balls and I color 4 of them, then the fraction would be 4/5. And what is 4 divided by 5? 0.8. And so this is the only, and so I colored 0.8% of the balls. So what if the fraction? Well, this slash is used for division. So this is used for slash, but the real division sign is this divided by, and not this slash, because most people use this sign and least people use this sign, and the least people use this sign. So if there were uncolored part of the balls, suppose there were 8 balls and I colored 2 of them, then what will be the fraction? 2/8. And what is 2 divided by 8? 0.25. Also 5 is a number which is also in the group of 1, 2, 4 and 8. Then suppose if there were so many balls, suppose if there were 16 balls and I colored 8 of them, so this fraction was 8/16. Then what will be the answer? 0.5. Even though the colored part was 8 and the uncolored part was 16. So this is why 8/16 is the fraction. Or we use this as the division sign. For the multiplication sign, they use the star the most, and they used X the least. So what we're gonna do now is we shared what we're gonna do now is a water bottle has and so we had a water bottle and so we had a water bottle which is 750 milliliter. And soon we divide this. I'm just giving a short example of a water bottle. So we divide 500 by 750, and the answer is 6 point. Then what will be the answer? 6.67. Oh yeah. So this has half of the thing. But suppose if we divide but suppose if there was a really huge square. So there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pieces of the pizza. So the colored part was 1. So 1/16, also known as 0.0625, is a special fraction, but bigger fraction. Because you need 1/16 of a bigger object to divide. Because this was not equal, but little bit smaller pieces. So if you liked fractions the most, you would easily divide them. Fractions are used for dividing. So there was a fraction called 3/4, and this was a pizza again. I ate 3 of them. This colored part indicates that I ate them. So I ate, and what is 3/4 called as? 0.75. Then what will this indicate me? About something. So this 3/4 is also called 3/4, but also called 0.75 in short form. But what if you divide 3 by 10? Hey, then let's. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the color part was 1, 2, and 3. Only one colored part will not be colored. Only 0.3% of the part will be colored. So if you had fun with fractions, learn them at home. And please subscribe to my channel right away. Bye bye.